welcome back. So I am in my kitchen again and I am teaming up with Home Chef, and they are a delivery meal service that I have absolutely loved and tried in the past, and I did a video on it and I got so much positive feedback. A lot of you guys said that you'd be interested in me doing another video. So with school starting up around the corner, I know I'm someone who needs to have meals planned. I need the ease of it, and that is why I like Home Chef. Now, my reasoning for choosing Home Chef has a lot to do with their meal options. I have tried HelloFresh, I have tried Plated, I have tried Blue Apron, a lot of different companies before I landed on Home Chef being my favorite, and it's for a variety of different reasons, and I'll tell you a few of them in this video. The main reason is I have 3 kids. A lot of the meal options that I'm given to choose from, some of the others, are things that I don't think my kids would like. Now, this makes it super easy for me because it gives me the time that it's gonna take to cook it. It gives me so many different options, it's twice as many options every week to choose from. Because you know, sometimes you're just not feeling it, what they put out. So that's why I love them, because they give 17 different options every single week. Now I want to show you how easy it is to kind of go on and select your meals. And they also have offered a $30 off your first order. So I'm gonna leave that, that's a coupon code. It is Laura30. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave all the information with that down below. So if you guys, after this video, wanna kind of check out Home Chef, you're gonna get $30 off your first order, which is amazing. But I just wanted to show you on my phone how easy it is. Now look at this, there are just all these different options. Look at that, like so many different choices, different meats. If you have food restrictions, you can put those on. If you're looking for lunches, snack ideas, they have snack ideas. So it's not just, I mean, they have smoothies. So really, it's an amazing selection of options that you have from different categories. When I was going on to select my options for this week, I was like overjoyed with how many different options there were of things that I knew my kids would eat and knew that I would eat. So I kind of wanted to show you how I sort of meal plan. I go on and I select my different options from Home Chef. I know what's going to be coming, and they have a bunch of different options. You can get, you know, 2 people, 4 people, 6 people, so there really is a variety of people. I have about a 5-person family, but my kids don't eat quite as much, so I choose the 3 meals a week, and I have it for 4 people. So since my twins kind of don't eat as much, I kind of count them as one. I know that sounds bad, but they're smaller eaters. Even my littlest daughter, she's a smaller eater. They're girls, they just eat small portions. So I can get away with a 4-person and I get 3 different meals. And let me tell you, usually sometimes on other services like HelloFresh, I don't feel like they have as many options as Home Chef does. So I really prefer Home Chef. I also want to show you how I kind of meal plan around that. So I'm gonna take you into my fridge and just kind of show you how I have grocery shopped and organized my fridge, how it makes it really convenient and easy for me. Like I said, especially going back to school, I know one of my biggest things is my husband will call me and he'll be like, "What's for dinner?" I like to just be like, "Listen, let me tell you what's for dinner. I got a picture for you. I know how long it's gonna take me to cook dinner, and I have the meal planned for you all week." So he'll know what's for dinner. A lot of times, like he explained this to me before, he literally looks forward to coming home and me cooking dinner. So he likes to know what it is so he can like look forward to it. So it helps with him, and it also helps with my kids. They're asking all the time, "What's for dinner? What's for dinner? What's for dinner?" So I can just say, "This is what's for dinner tonight." Comes directly to my door, and like I said, they give you this binder. They hole punch the recipes for you, has easy step-by-step instructions. I have some other recipes in this binder, so if you continue the service, you keep collecting recipes, you can organize your recipes. So I really, really love that. So this week I have 3 different recipes. Like I said, I got crispy Dijon chicken, and I will show you also how it came packaged, because I think that that's a really bonus for Home Chef from other places. I just really like how it comes packaged and portioned. And then I have the summer shrimp fettuccine. And I have the Acapulco beef burger. So it gives a really good picture. It tells you how long it takes. It says how long it will keep. You need to cook it within that amount of time, so that helps me with planning out my shopping trips and when we're gonna have it, how long they keep, because they all probably keep. This one, the shrimp one, keeps 3 days. So you can kind of decide when you get those meals. I say, okay, this keeps the least amount of time. We're gonna have this first. We're gonna have this next, leftovers on this day, whatnot, and then I fill in with lunches and snacks. So let me take you into my fridge and just show you a little bit of how I kind of organize it, how they come packaged, and why I think that's so simple and easy. So here's a peek inside my fridge. It's kind of like opening your dirty cabinets, you know, and like showing. And yes, I did clean my fridge prior to this, because let me tell you, it doesn't just naturally look like this. It does take a little pre-planning. So since I know, here are my Home Chef meals, and I'll show you that in a minute, but since I know I'm gonna have that, I kind of like to have snacks, stuff for salads, snacks, vegetables for the kids. These are pickles. My husband got those pickles he brought them home from like a barbecue. Fruit we keep packaged. I really like these for the fridge, just FYI, because it keeps everything fresh. And then just regular stuff. So I know that the kids can come in here, they can grab that, they can grab this. We have a ton of like, I'll just show you like lunch meat for lunches. One of my daughters really likes this like fake cheese, but string cheese, so they can kind of come in here and do snacks and stuff, but that will help us for like lunches and whatnot. And then when I want to come and cook dinner, I can come in and grab really easily. These are packaged into 2 people, so this is a 2-person portion. So now I have 2 of these because I got 4-person portions, so each of these meals I have 2 of. So I just know what I want to, if I want to know which one it is. Right here on the back it tells me this is the crispy Dijon chicken. It comes with every single thing I'm going to need for the crispy Dijon chicken. So if I'm only going to cook it for 2 people, my husband and I know my kids want something different, or say they have like a pizza party or something going on, I can just cook the 2 portions, which I really also like and appreciate about that, because then I can stretch the meals even longer, you know what I'm saying? And then this one, let's just see what this one is. Just comes really nicely packaged, and it tells you all of it right there, contains what it contains, and then everything is portioned perfectly, and everything is kept really nice and fresh. Now also the meats, we have an extra fridge in our laundry room, and I keep the meats and some of the other meals back there so I don't keep this as crowded. I kind of just keep up what I know I'm gonna cook first, and then I go back in my additional fridge and kind of get it. That one's not as good looking, so I'm not gonna show that one, but I will pull out the meat to show you how it is packaged, and I wanna go in and show you how my Home Chef box came. Now as you can see, I've already unpackaged it, but I did save all the packaging, and I wanted to show you how many ice packs come in my Home Chef box, because I live in Texas. This was delivered by FedEx, and I had it set for delivery on Wednesdays. That is my phone texting me. I had it set for Wednesdays. So on Wednesdays, it delivered FedEx. I wasn't home. And by the time I got home and unpackaged everything, it was still cold. The ice packs were keeping everything perfectly cold. And I just want to show you how that all came. So let's go ahead and take a look at how that came. Okay, really quickly, I'd like to show you how some of the meats came. Now these are at the very bottom of the box. They are covered in ice packs, so they stay incredibly cool. They are packaged separately depending on the type of meat. So this one came in this little Ziploc, sealed completely. The Gulf shrimp in here, so you just kind of set that in your fridge. This one had the chicken breasts and then the beef for the burgers in it, all separate, pre-packaged, everything really nice. This is separated in pre-packaged portions. My thing is, I need something super simple. I need something really easy and quick that I can just grab things and go, and that is why I love it. It comes to my door, it's portioned, and then all of my meal prep that goes around this with snacks and all that kind of stuff, I kind of know what the large meals are going to be, and I purchase around that every single week. And then it comes with recycling instructions. The box is a very large box, so you kind of lift this up and everything is packaged in here. So at the very bottom is your meat, and this is kind of right there, and then this is over top of it, and I'm going to show you all of the ice packs that were surrounding the meat. So it would be, the meat was on the bottom in those plastic bags, ice packs were all around it, this was covering the top of it, separating those individual portioned bags out. Here's a quick look at all of the ice bags that came. Now they show you recycling these ice bags. You can refreeze them. I kind of put them aside because honestly I don't have room in my freezer for all the ice bags every single time, but you can recycle these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ice bags, and I think I threw one away. So there were 10 ice bags in, you know, ice packs frozen completely in the package, and so it kept all of the food cold. Like I said, we live in Texas, it's extremely hot, and if you don't get to your delivery, it's okay. It is packaged so nicely, and so you just kind of lift up, you put the pre-packaged things into your fridge, and then you just wait to pull them out when you have chosen to, like whatever, based off of your meal plan for your family, when you're going to make. You can see everything is totally insulated and really nicely packaged. Since everything is pre-portioned, that eliminates a lot of waste. I know I have a ton of waste, so what I absolutely love is there really aren't a lot of leftovers because they send you perfectly portioned. Not only is that good for waste, but it's also good if you are kind of watching your weight. You really are getting the right amount of portion. It never seems like too little food. It's always the perfect amount of food, but also for me, it avoids kind of overeating. So if I'm just gonna cook 2 portions, it's really like, here are the 2 portions, my husband and me, and then if I'm gonna cook something for the kids, it really is just enough for that. So it kind of eliminates overeating, to be honest. Plus, if you are someone who has a lot of restrictions, they do have a lot of like health conscious options. They do have different options if you are into meat, if you're vegetarian. So there's really a lot of options each week. Another thing I like is if you're traveling, you can pause or skip a week. Say you have a week where you know you're gonna be cooking a lot of different or specific foods, and you kind of already have a menu and you just want to take a break from it for a while, you can pause and skip and whatnot, and you won't be charged for that week, and then you can just pick right back up. So it's just definitely, like I said in the beginning of the video, my favorite for a variety of different reasons. So I'm going to eventually cook some of these recipes, and I really kind of just wanted to talk a little bit more about the service for you guys and tell you a lot why I like it and kind of how I meal plan and show you the inside of my fridge. If you are interested in how some of these meals kind of look, I'm not really going to go into the cooking of them, but I will show you the end result of some of these meals as I cook them throughout this week. As you saw, I didn't want to kind of cook them all right now and waste that. I really wanted to show you the inside of it, so I will clip in some of that footage so you can sort of see how it looks at the end, some of the meals, if you are kind of one of those people who's interested in seeing how things look. I always find I can get them looking exactly like the picture, which is my, like, I always love when that happens. And like I said in the beginning, they're very easy recipes to follow step by step. So again, if you would like that discount code with $30 off your first order, check the link down below and the coupon code will be there for you guys. Thank you so much. Let me know if you guys are interested in seeing more of these videos. I definitely am so grateful for Home Chef to partnering with me on this video. Thanks again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you all in the next video. Mwah.
Hey guys, okay, so I'm cooking here, and I kind of want to talk to you guys a little bit about using that coupon code, because you'll see here at the end of the video, I kind of clip in, I used some of the extra ingredients that I had to make some little egg cups, and it's just such a value. So with that $30 off coupon, you're basically going to get 2 to 3 free meals or servings. You're going to get 2 to 3 meals for free, or 1 meal with 2 to 3 servings for free. So you really have nothing to lose. There's no commitment. Look how good this looks. I'd love for you guys to try it out. So this was the Acapulco burger, and I used the extra pico and the cheese from this meal, and then I put it in these, I made these egg cups the next day. So I was really utilizing extra ingredients. These are super easy, and then you can pre-package them up, and I put them in my fridge. So that clip is coming up. I'll show you. So make sure you guys check out Home Chef. Please utilize that $30 off coupon. Let me know how you guys love it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.